I'm a little skeptical. This is pretty small. I don't know, to have my food out in the open, can it actually cook and bake frozen items? I guess we're gonna have to put it to the test and see. Now it's time to take these cookies off and eat them. Wow, they don't stick at all. This is a true non-stick pan. They have a little bite to them. They are definitely cooked, they're not raw. Definitely soft. My timer just went off and these are so frozen. They're not cooked at all. They're like hard as a rock. Our pizza finished cooking. It looks awesome. The cheese is really melted. The crust looks golden brown. Initially, I was really skeptical about this rotating oven. I didn't think it would work. I was pleasantly surprised. It did work for certain foods. It didn't work for others. I think it's a cool gadget, but I personally wouldn't buy it for myself. I think there's people out there that might enjoy it, but me personally, I don't think it was for me.